0800 in the morning, September the 20th, 2019, arriving for a squadron ride out. I got an invite, so I thought I'd go. I thought, why not? It's 61 degrees though. Sunny, but 61 degrees. It's a little chilly, but it's supposed to get all the way up to 75 today. But that's not until 2 o'clock, so it may be a bit cold today. Anyway, so here we are, the second person here. This is Corey and his wife. He wants to be a rider coach too. Here's a couple of photographs of us staging before the ride out. And now we're just getting ready to leave. The two sport bikes are going to be in the leads, a Kawasaki 650 and a Yamaha R6. That belongs to the girl. She had it lowered a little bit because she's short. So you always need to have something shortened. So leaving the car park from Armistead Gate, we have to turn right onto Armistead, so we can turn 180 degrees around to go back down Armistead, so we can get to West Mercury and head towards the James River Bridge and into Smithfield on the Isle of Wight. This is us trying to turn around. There seems to be a bit more traffic than we expected, but we all got to turn around safely and easily. There was no drama involved, as you can see. Boulevard to head towards the James River Bridge, because I cut great big chunks out of this, otherwise it would be very boring. So at this point we stopped to do these traffic lights, and I'm turning up my music as loud as I can, and Corey decided to try and have a speaker war. Get very quickly and just let him make as much noise as he likes. James River Bridge, doing 65-70 miles an hour in the group. It's not the best speed to go over this, but oh well, what the hell. Get it over with quickly. It's a little windy today too, left and right. Stopping for gas, and I completely was not paying attention and missed everybody turning up into the gas station. So I had to turn around. So after the other guys filled up with gas, which I did the night before but last night, we're now leaving, turning onto the main road, which is with a group of motorcycles, easels or similar things to do. And as Corey stops, his wife's getting off and running back, picking something up. Turns out that the lead rider dropped his keys. Now here is the keys being returned to him. That was lucky. I'm not sure what keys they were, probably his house keys. Can't be his motorcycle keys, otherwise the motorbike wouldn't have run. The approach to the Surrey Ferry. We'll be getting on the ferry in a few minutes, and the ferry has a name, and that ferry is Pocahontas, also known as Elizabeth Warren. Ha 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 ha. This is the security area where they check for bombs on vehicles, but motorcycles very rarely get checked. I've noticed a few times that I've been on the ferry, which is a good thing because you don't have to hang around long. So now, on to the staging area for the ferry. see on the right there is a ferry, but that's not the ferry we'll be taking. You don't have all that ferry running today. The other ferry is somewhere over on the left, which we can't see, it's too far away. But when we park up and stage for the ferry, we can see it. I took some pictures here as well of us all waiting for the ferry, just to give you an idea of what's going on and what everything looks like. Now it's time to ride onto the ferry. As you notice, I took my gloves off. They were in on the dashboard there. And we're going to ride nice and slowly up to the deck of the ferry. We have to be very careful here. The metal deck is very slippery. But I've done it before, so it's not that difficult. Keep your feet up and ride nice and slow. Down behind me, nice and slow. And here we are, pulling into the right hand side of the ferry deck. And I'll just pull up here and stop. Pretty much where I end the video this time around. I might do a second part, but here's some more photographs of us on the ferry. A nice photo impression of how it is and what it looks like from different angles of the bikes and the people with the bikes. So toodle pip, and until next time.